LangChain versus LlamaIndex. Which LLM framework wins? So what is LangChain? LangChain is a general-purpose modular framework for LLM applications. It provides components like prompt templates, chains, agents, memory management, and integrations with models and APIs. Perfect for building complex workflows, API orchestration, and reasoning agents. LlamaIndex, by contrast, specializes in data ingestion, structuring, and retrieval. It's designed to help developers load, index, and query large data sets in RAG, retrieval augmented generation, pipelines with minimal fuss. And now for the feature comparisons. The primary strength of LangChain involves complex workflows, agent orchestration, and multi-step reasoning. For LlamaIndex, it's fast, efficient data indexing and document retrieval. For LangChain, its use case focus is dynamic apps like chatbots, agents, and memory workflows. For LlamaIndex, it's RAG apps, document Q&A, and semantic research. In terms of ecosystems and integration, LangChain is wide. It ranges from LLM providers, APIs, toolkits, vector DBs, and retrieval systems. LlamaIndex is specialized with rich data connectors and indexing strategies. For LangChain, its learning curve is steeper, with many concepts like chains and agents. LlamaIndex is gentler, with high-level extraction for ingestion, indexing, and querying. In terms of retrieval speed, LangChain has a standard performance, while LlamaIndex is up to 40% faster in terms of retrieval, and it's optimized for large datasets. LangChain is best deployed for agent-based and logic-heavy applications, and LlamaIndex for retrieval-centric and data-heavy pipelines. And now for the pros and cons. For LangChain, it has high flexibility, built highly customized pipelines, agent logic, and toolchains. It has a massive ecosystem. It connects with multiple LLMs, APIs, vector stores, memory, and deployment tools. However, LangChain has a steep learning curve with many abstractions that can be hard to debug, and it may introduce performance bottlenecks and high costs in production RAG apps. For LlamaIndex, its pros include being easy to start. Just load your data, index, and query. It is highly efficient for large-scale document retrieval, much faster and simpler for RAG scenarios. However, it's not suited for complex multi-step workflows or agent orchestration. It is less flexible when building broader LLM-powered applications. So which one wins? Choose LlamaIndex if your focus is on fast, efficient document retrieval and RAG pipelines, ideal for internal knowledge bases, semantic search, or document Q&A. Choose LangChain if you're building complex, multi-step AI applications with agents, tool calls, memory, and fine-tuned control. Pro tip, use both LlamaIndex for ingestion and index efficiency, and LangChain for higher level orchestration and agent control in hybrid systems. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.